Trying to let car number 2 get up to operating temperature. Let's see. I took the hardware off. There's a panel. It'll come right off, slides right out. And that's a fan ultra synthetic I ran this time around. I had to buy a new one of these, about $25. $17mm. I should have driven this car to get it warmed up for the engine flush. It's taking a lot longer just sitting around, letting it idle. Okay. Oh yeah, it's nice and hot. Gotta undo the fill cap. Get this out the way. Oh, man, that's hot, y'all. Whoa. It is hot. I am going to change this washer right now so I don't forget. I'm going to try out this new filter wrench. Oh, this is nice. One size fits all. Ah, got me. Shit. Gotta go get cleaned up. I'm gonna have to get up in there, wipe that thing off. You want to have a nice flush fit. It's all said and done. Oh boy. Got the filter installed. It's a CarQuest Premium. And the new washer on there. Pretty easy. And there's the old filter. This is very convenient. I just take this to AutoZone when I'm done. So I'm going to put some oil in, top it off, and then we're going to run it and make sure we're not leaking. See that color? I don't know what all these little bits are. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah. Yep, you're starting to protect that chunks of stuff out. Shit. I can't wait to see this filter. I mean, I wonder if those are chunks of lines here. Yeah. Some serious cleaning went on here. I'm sure I'm not leaking. I'll just get under there and check. Everything looks perfect. Perfect. There we go. I'm going to put this put the cover back on. Let's slide the back in first. So let me just double check, make sure. That looks good. Slide this in. It goes under. 2 screws, 2 push pins. Ah, come on. Ah, don't be a hassle. There it is. All done. Alright, we're going to top it off with oil. 5W20. I mean 0W20, sorry. The type of oil it takes is right here. Right on the cap. It's a perfect fit. It's a perfect fit. Alright. Okay, we're going to go start. Be right back. All done.